Hadian gajing sapriang hagawai kakot kubor pareng baka sorkar pedeng kalapan sange gajing pentrikam yang jal Jivan Mission haga jela Meghalaya. Haga katwi terik kula lengkot menteri ketenat PHE uba renek ton lengdok tongkar ulo ang bagani gajing penmi kubor kelong kebabakla bat kebamdon setia kan ukuno gajing shisha. Ulo ang ru baka sorkar jela kam shimlayo eka nukuno gajing tho nak sorkar pedeng nesha apan jing pensyai ru haga bedai bat gajing pentrikam yang skim haga ban penpoy ku umbam umdi haki shinong gitau kibadan haga jela. Uba renik ton uletho bag sarkar pedeng kala item spoklur tengkai ke jela halor ke jingla ban pentregam bhai ke skim sam umbam umdi. Nagaliang menteri rang ba ke jela Konrad Kongkal Sang Maru ulong ba kamdan kanu kanu ke jing pensange no jong ke sarkar pedeng ya ke jal Jivan Mission ha Meghalaya. Bar ke jing penmi kubor kelong babakla bar ke bamdon ya kanu kanu ke jing shisha.
Kwa bari tu EP pada katu kanda kani statement kwa mi uslong time kalau bon ba ki kontraktor ki bala phone yang ki ba ong bangim skonut syu hadin bi itu statement bagin ya cekmat ban trei ki donru ki bala ong bangin pensangan no syai ki jing trei namar ba ki smutu syai bala da ka sarkar India hi kam ai pisa syu kalong ka ba ya ka sarkar Meghalaya ban siu ya kini ki hajar krore ban siu ya ka building kontraktor te kwa ban ong bagani kala kata syah do kata kalong ka penuit hak jengmut hak jeng perkat jong ki breu ki bayar trei ki ba invest hakane ke business hakane ke mission kane ka jingmi hakot khobor long time kala long ka jing kata hadu kata lada kadon ke shisha ngimla banong i lada ka kata rungin le kumno pakdon shisha ndrei kumba kalong menta kane ka khobor kam don shisha kam shimdon kanu kanu ka shithi ke bawan nak sarkar India la kalong ban ayangi ka warning lane la kalong ban ayangi ya ka shokos notice ban khot yang ban explain lada kadon kata ka performance ka ba bakala ka baduna na klen jok sarkar jongi kam simdon bakum kata hangno ngitip bahai kata balada kadon kanu ka jing bakala nengkong lese arsin nasin ka warning letar ka di banwan lende ka shokos notice ya ka bakin call kin khot ban ai ka explanation ke bakum kata ka kam simdon ngila ya kerana ke department ngila ya phone na ke department ru kala keren sinil hi hadal hiru umdan batip na kami ke bakum kata pane kum bakalong ngila nang yok ban ke jingyaro na ka ministry ya ke bagi dang sudah yo ka bonus ke masih krore na ka daw jo ke performance ke jongi ke bagi la lebha bat ngila persyang ban lebha hadu kata-kata kwa perken mau biang pe ba banakis sau hajar san spa san pautli kilong yeng ke bagi don ka basdang ngidon tang sau hajar san spa san pautli kilong yeng ki balayo ya kakor haying jongki menta ngila kiu ngila don kumbashi lak kendai popra hajar teli kilong yeng ki balayo hake ying jongki kaba pipe lapoi ki ying jongki te pinapej na kene ngila le hado kata-kata bat katarket jongi kalong ban pendep ya ki san lak prapo kendai hajar teli kilong yeng ya ke bangin ai te kata kade katarket ya ke bangin parkan randin wadlah ka page ya ka numbers kalong ka bahe hadu kata-kata bagin pendap apok jom tahu senam teh ndai ngidang ya am dukihi bat ngin ya persyang bah ladang ngimdap 100% ru maksimum ngin persyang pendap apok tahu senam hi bat skwa bani tu ipi bakadon ka jingkerman ai bakini ki jingwet kinom one show ngin ya trelang bat state ka jing tre ka kam namar ka ultimate aim jongi ka target jongi kalong ban poi hamman la ka truyeng bat ngikerpat ke jing trelang jom paro bangi trelang hangne banginom create trouble banginom manra jing hangno khnang ba kandon ke jing sngu sngan ki sngu sulur ya baro ki ba involve hangne directly or indirectly ki ba involve hangne ka mission ki leti ba kandon ke jing trelang bangila on pendep ke kene banai sipai ba baro.
And it's very unfortunate that reputed paper like Shillong Times has not done their homework. And the information that has come out is completely false. There is no such aspect to any stoppage of work of JJM or stoppage from Government of India. In fact, work is going on in full swing. We are today, within a year and a half, we have covered almost close to 2 lakh plus houses, where almost 10 lakh individuals have been benefited with the scheme. And the team is working overtime to ensure that we meet our targets. So in the middle of all this, while the team is working so hard, it's unfortunate to see that such kind of articles which have no base, baseless articles and without the fact finding have been put up. Shillong Times has been told about it, and they have apologized, and I'm sure that they will come out with corrective article on that.
Ha kabedai bagajing keno bagadan gajing pedan kam bakla ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kapisa kabala air ke Sarkar Pedang leng bagat tight scheme. Menteri rang ba uloong ba omdan AA banong ha kabedai bat gurukom trekam ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council namar ba kadai ka autonomous body la ka pedan kam kapisa ban siaw ke tulap nebat pentre ka kam. Uloong ba kabha tengka ka ba Sarkar Pedang kalai kadai ne kapenta ban pentre ki kam kabedai bat ka Jal Jeevan Mission ka water and sanitation bat lada ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council ka penan kam kapisa ha ka ban siu tulap gidong tre jongka kan kata jurru wat ya ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council bat ka Jantia Hills Autonomous District Council namar kelayo pediang lang ya kan ka song tengka namar lada omla aban IT ya ka utilization certificate jongka kuat ka badin kongru kan long ka bae abani opdiang ya ka song tengka ha ka wat ka baar.
Well, number one, I don't have any comments to make on the internal matters of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council because it is an autonomous body, and whether they use their funds to pay salaries or use their funds for development, that is entirely there because the responsibility to pay the employees ultimately falls on them. So I don't have any comments on how they've used the fund. But what is important to note is that these funds were meant and were tied funds meant for JJM and meant for different kind of sanitation and water supply. While they must have looked at the status of the employees and they must have gone ahead with what they did, the problem in this aspect is that this will affect the entire outflow of the second installment for them. And that may even in fact the second installment of KHDC and JGDC because they are all linked together. It's Government of India has given for local bodies, a joint fund. So when we are not able to submit the UCs for one installment, then basically it creates a bit of a problem to release the other installments. So we may see a problem in release of other 15 Finance Commission funds to not just Garo Hills District Council but the others because we will not get the funds from Delhi. Now number two is that this kind of mismanagement of fund also affects the overall financials of JHDC and it reflects bad on their books. So tomorrow if they are looking at going for some kind of financial support from financial institutions, the financial institutions will not be comfortable in giving them the financial support, and therefore the loans or any kind of financial support they look from banks or other institutions, they will not be able to get that support from the institutions. So it reflects badly on the management and it's a bad example of mismanagement and it should be avoided. But from a purely administration point of view, it is not the correct way to move forward and it will definitely reflect bad on their finances and on the future flow of central schemes and funds from them.